Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Yeah.
Camry? You got that
Yeah.
fucking Camry?
Fucking thing's beautiful, dude.
Appreciate it.
2, 3, 4, 5, I got 30 bucks more in the bar tonight. Real, we go to the mall at night. Them stores for us broke. We got all the ice. And we ain't never really asked the price. How much this jacket cost? 5 LA traffic.
Welcome back, Nitro Gang, to another video, another banger. Tonight we got another car meet, another night car meet, hosted by a group named Redline down here. So I've had a few people text me, asking me if I was coming out. So we finna go see what it's like. Hopefully it's lit, you know what I'm saying? But I'll catch you when we get there. Nitro Gang, we finally made it to the meet. Can I park over there?
I don't know. I can't see shit out this damn 5% tent.
Windows 5% tinted. Can't even see it's me.
What's going on?
Oh! What's up, bro?
What's up with you, my nigga?
Y'all filming, huh?
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
That's that Lexus. That's Lexus right here.
Yo.
Gotta zip that jacket up. Here come Dwayne.
Dwayne. What the hell?
We'll get your door for you, sir.
Appreciate it. VIP luxury. You gonna walk
How
around
was
with
the
me?
meet over there?
Huh?
How was the meet over there?
I just came out.
Oh, so you didn't go over there?
No.
Bitch, you posted it.
That don't mean I was going. I support.
I didn't go either. After sitting around, we was sitting around chilling. I was like,
Hey, I'm just letting you know you're not getting your check this week.
what's that?
What you mean? Your security guard check. I'm just letting you know. I'll pay you next week.
I think you should pay me right now. Hey, I think you should go ahead and pay me.
Bitch, better have my money.
You know what I'm saying?
I got you next week.
What you wearing all that pink glittery, man? Somebody gonna think you cute out here.
Think I'm cute. She wanna have sex.
Yo.
Pink glittery is crazy. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. Look at all these fucking cars out here. This shit lit. Huh? Walk around.
Hey, one of these days, bro, I'm gonna get one of these in a 2X for walking around with y'all's ass. I'm just saying.
I bet.
Y'all always leave me out.
You talking about race that vet right there? But they got the old antiques out. Little Supra, that bitch hard. Yeah, let me hear it. This hood ain't hurt. This shit finna get shut down. That bitch chopping his ass off. Let me hear that bitch. Let me hear it. Why all the fast people park over here? Who they think they is? Like I won't come park up beside their ass.
Cap.
That bitch chopping. This is fucking tough. What's going on, my boy? Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, vlog?
What's
You
going
know how
on?
we get down?
Yeah,
You know how
tight
we get
shit.
down?
This V is clean. All blacked out. Huh? Oh, why don't you, my boy? But Papa Willie on that bitch. That bitch electric. Papa Willie. Oh, he walking at me. He walking at me. He walking that bitch though.
Nah, that's tough.
He walking that bitch though. But it got blue tail lights. Y'all see, there's a bunch of people out today.
Learned to run, it was in the mud, it was in the cold, now it's in your blood. I burn from the hell I've seen, but the devil can't hold me down. I've earned all the hell I'll be, standing on holy ground.
Hey, see the devil keep holding me down, but my people say Poppy. See, I come from the gutter, the mud, the dirt, but somehow I got tied to this rock. I was down on my luck, I ain't had me a book. Swear this life was rocky. Had to figure it out ASAP, cause see now I got kids, I be damned if they copy. Every store we walk in, I was shopping. If I see it, I like it, I copy. It was days when I didn't have to used to walk through the store, put it in my pocket. Kicking thugs, you get caught, keep it solid. All them nights that I felt I was dropping. All them nights I was stuck in the line in them streets, if a tried me, but I popped.
Nitro Gang, we finna go on a drive. We got one of my supporters hit me up saying he was gonna be at the meet. I told him I was gonna be here, so you see, we got a Camaro. Finna get in this bitch, see what it's like. What's going on? Shot yourself out?
Yeah, my name Nico.
Oh shit, let me close the door first, goddamn. Yeah, shot yourself out?
Nico.
Hold on, respectfully, you gotta turn this shit down so I don't get copyrighted. But
My name Nico. Go follow me on IG. Yo, Nico.
so what we got here? What we got here? Camaro, what's done to that bitch?
Shit, ECU tuning, 83 mileage. Transmission, brand new.
This bitch fast?
Yeah.
Oh, it got some torque on it for sure. Tim, what's your thoughts?
Oh no, I'm stuck.
Twin neck broke.
My neck is hurting right now.
Oh, this bitch got stars in it though. Damn. Finna have this man going on a whole mission, bro.
Might as well.
Brody got a chopper in the back seat. Oh shit! Damn.
Take it on the video. Look at this shit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We ride Chucky doll. What? No, that Chucky doll. What is that?
Oh shit, it's a strap right there.
Yeah, put that shit down. This a 10-speed?
Oh no, 8-speed.
8-speed?
Yeah, I got an ECU tuning. Throwing my head back. And ride on this.
What do you mean by that?
How long you had it before?
Like a year now.
A year? What's the process? What's the process? I'll go right here, go right here. You better drive this bit right. Huh? Why would I not drive it right? You must forgot what I was doing in that YouTube video.
You ain't scared, twin?
You scared?
Yeah, I mean, hey, whatever happens.
I'm just playing.
You gonna have him have a heart attack.
Scared back in the passenger seat. He ain't never been in the passenger seat of his own car.
Hell no.
You could definitely tell that bitch tuned.
Hell yeah, I knew it was two.
This
As soon
bitch
as
got
they took
torque
out-
like a motherfucker.
Yeah, as soon as they took out, I knew it was two. I was like, man, this bit kind of quick.
It be quick.
Hey, what was that? What you did down there?
Put that bitch in sport mode. You put that bitch in sport mode.
I just spiced it up a little bit.
Wonder if she pretty as a nigga. If a nigga swing on, send him home. Can't grip, stretch out.
Oh, that other shit sound crazy. Oh my gosh.
I'm not gonna lie, they been moving.
That other shit sound good as fuck.
I didn't know V60 up and down like that, man.
What's that, Johnny Clark?
This bitch do sound good as fuck. What you got done like exhaust wise?
Oh, I just got that big ass gas tank on the bottom of it. I just took it off. I got the
Buffalo
big ass-
heat?
Yes, big ass gas tank.
But that bitch downshifting for me.
have another one with my brother.
What's your thoughts? So not gonna lie,
I'd be terrified. I mean,
to let me be the first one to drive that bitch, you're a real one.
nah, I ain't gonna lie. Nah, you the first person like that drives cars to drive my shit. Nah. Any other
Respect.
person,
Respect.
Any person, I don't know.
Alright, now, nigga. We ain't on Kentucky Derby. You pushing this bitch.
Bro, I didn't even go over 60.
You smart.
I know, but the torque feel like
The
it's
torque
there.
feel like it's 100.
A few moments later.
This shit was moving quicker than I expected.
Yeah.
It sounded good. It did sound super. Yeah. Yeah.
Camry?
You got
Yeah.
that fucking Camry.
Fucking thing's beautiful, dude.
Appreciate it. Say something to the vlog.
I got nothing to say.
I put you on the
I'm
spot.
not-
I put him on the spot. I put him on.
That car fire as fuck.
Yeah.
Trying to find
Yeah. I put him on the spot. He ain't know what to say. So you be seeing my videos on TikTok?
Yeah, I've been seeing you on YouTube.
But
I'll follow y'all on TikTok.
you follow me too?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we got the supporter.
You got any exhaust work done?
Just a muffler delete and aftermarket resonator. That's it.
I'm about to go get my resonator deleted and my muffler just got straight.
I got IG? Yeah. I got Instagram. Follow the clothing brand. This is our clothing brand, too. For real? Yeah. I have everything y'all follow.
Yeah, I know you follow everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the Camry battery died. My lights were on before I left to go ride in the Camaro, but now they're off. We're finna go see if they're dead. Damn, something's streaming. What is that? What the hell is that? What the hell? Anyways. But I'm trying to figure out what that was loud. This shit was loud as fuck. Oh no, the battery ain't dead.
I hear it.
What?
I hear it.
Do it again! That bitch geeking. I'm finna have everybody rev that shit. Let me hear it! Let me hear it! Yo, I'm not gonna lie, there's a bunch of fucking people here. Y'all look at this. Let me hear it! God, it's sleep. Hold on, let me get back here.
Tell me you influencing people to get us kicked out.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
I had to. It was the one-time thing. Come on.
Hey, bro. I know you hear that song.
What up with you, my boy?
Not on word.
What you got on? Yeah, you got that shit on?
Call me D-Lo Kerr. Bet you I don't miss.
Yeah. Baby say she love my
I put that shit on. Baby say she love my drill.
Yeah.
Where you going? You spinning by over here?
Hell yeah. Don't kick my boy out, JT. Let him stay. Let him stay.
What the police say?
They just said stop revving it or y'all gotta go on.
Hey, everybody gotta put their cameras down. Ain't shit happening.
Got him.
We fucking got him.
I got the one and only footage. I got the one and only footage of it. Wait, hold on. I got questions for you. Hold on, come here. Wait. I want to ask him when he put the drag pack on that bitch.
Yeah, he put yeah, he just put it like a 2.
Ask him, do he still got the ski mask that he bought for me? The ski mask. Ask him if he still got the ski mask he bought for me.
Ski mask?
Yeah, he bought a ski mask for me.
Sí.
He still got it? Yeah.
Hip hip. All right. Hip hip.
Toy, I got the. What up with you, my boy? Damn, you act like you a stranger. You don't know people? God damn.
I'm gonna put the cool sim. I got the cool sims in the car right now.
What you got done?
What he say? Damn. You wanna go say it to his face?
Huh?
You wanna go say it to his face?
I'm defending the country. What the fuck he gonna do?
Serious news. You see a Marine alongside Marine One.
Yo, baby.
Hey, give me $20. I got you.
Is this nigga serious?
Are you tripping?
Easy 20.
You trying to go to jail?
They ain't catching my ran for the cops too many times. They ain't catching my ass.
Hey, bro, don't say that on camera.
Hey, I'll say it.
Say what on camera?
What I tell you? Talking about my front splitter?
What I tell you?
No, that came off in the snow day when I was dripping.
What
I
I
was
tell
doing
you?
stupid
That
shit.
shit was about to go, huh?
No, it only left because of the snow. I was hitting a whole bunch of ice and shit.
Bro, I think just in general, our shit too low, bro, to be running any type of like body kits or anything, bro.
Oh, my shit chilling. I'm chilling. Oh, chill. Hey, this bitch on a drag pack. What the? That was done in a bit. What's done to it? What's done to it?
You gotta find out the hard way and line up.
Hey, I ain't racing you. I just want to know. This is.
That's how they find out.
They think I've been on a drag pack.
Okay, answer this one question. Over 600?
Can't say, man, but I'll tell you what. Hashtag Noah Bill.
Oh, they got Connor, bro.
Yes, sir! What's up, gang?
I ain't seen you in like ages, bro.
Ain't no way Connor outside. Oh yeah, the folks finna call. The folks finna kick us out. You're good. You're all good. Cameraman in work, in action. Oh! I did too. Yeah, what was you, my boy? You know what's going on?
That boy keep tweeting and never slide. That boy feminine, he pussy, we celebrating pride. And that Lambo with that top off got my dreads up in the sky. They got me fucked up. I might do some dumb shit. She won't link, hit me up, pull up to the phone shit.
He ain't talking about no paper. He can't get behind this. He call me some fine shit. He call me some fine shit.
What up, Jim, my boy? I ain't see y'all niggas in a minute. Where y'all been?
No, shit, we just got back in the city, bro.
Oh, where you been at?
I was in Missouri, bro.
Working?
Yeah.
Working that ass off.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I was in we went on vacation.
You need a tuner. Yeah. That ain't me.
That ain't me. That's your boy. I love you, bro. That was your boy. Hey, Nitro World taking over the world.
Yeah.
Nitro World taking over the world.
Yeah. You know better. Bullshit. You ain't gonna cop for it.
How much is it?
For the ski?
Yeah.
20. Okay. 95 for those sets, and then we got that black set for 85.
Okay. I got to park my shit.
I parked that
over there.
Boy, that just ain't the way you outside. What the hell, bro? That little Tay outside. Little T outside. Why you get rid of the Camaro?
Because I got a German, bro.
You got a German?
Yeah.
You got a BMW?
Nah, Mercedes.
Oh, where the bitch at?
Over there, bro.
Come on, go look at it. No, come on. We gonna look at that bitch. Hey, Twin, make sure you get my jacket if I'm not back. Let's go look at this bitch. You ain't gonna let me drive that bitch?
I'll let you drive that bitch.
You gonna let me drive that bitch? Hold on. Let me wait for twin. Let me wait for twin, cause he gonna wanna come. I ain't gonna hold on to your keys. I'm gonna meet up with you. Twin.
God damn.
A few moments later.
Put that bitch in full spurt mode.
I wanna do a reaction, yeah.
Hey, drive around to my car first. Y'all see me in a Benz. Riding luxurious. Yeah, pull right here to the left. Yeah.
So I park right here? Right in the front. Now I'm going right in the front. Like, Josh in your car, huh?
Yeah. JT! Come here! Where the next move? Where the location get moved to?
I think we're gonna go to the Hard Rock.
That's a good idea. Parking garage. Yeah, that's
all right, bet.
All right, y'all boys be safe.
You not going?
I'm going.
To the Hard Rock?
Yeah.
All right, bet. Man, they ain't finna stop us. We got any... But look at all these people, bro. It's loud as hell over here. Hell yeah. That shit real.
So we're doing just straight emission.
Yeah, straight emission. And AC, because the nigga got a full sweatsuit on. I'm hot. That bitch leaning.
I ain't gonna lie, I probably can take it. This car not turbo, I can take it out.
Oh, this shit. Wait, what's done to this bitch?
Bro, honestly, it's solid.
Oh, damn. But what it come with? Like,
intake shit.
What is a V6 twin turbo?
It's a twin scroll turbo inline 4 from Mercedes. Right?
Oh, damn.
So
it's all-wheel drive or wheel?
It is all-wheel drive, but I am running E85.
So you gotta tune this shit.
Yeah, it is tuned. So
you asking me about a tuner and your shit tuned.
Well, just E85. I need like.
All right. Yeah. I got you. All right. So you gonna get my first reaction?
Right there. Yeah.
I bet. Oh shit! Damn. This bitch moving. Let me put my seatbelt on just in case. Just in case some shit go down. Let me put my seatbelt on just in case. How long you had this bitch for?
Yeah, we rocked about 3 months now.
3 months? What you had before?
Camaro.
What type of Camaro you had?
I had a little V6.
Y'all see what he in now, so you know, never say never. You never know that come up always gonna happen.
Never say never.
Never give up.
We got real formatting.
It is?
Yeah, it's better in the back seat.
Go to the top. Oh shit, I don't know if I can make it. Yeah. Oh, he made it. I think he making it. Oh, he making it. Oh, damn, that bitch bouncing. Hold on, start right here. Oh, that bitch bouncing. Are you good? You good? You said what? Oh, yeah. What's going on? Y'all see the Camry? That bitch clean. What? What'd you say? Hey! Light ahead!
few moments later.
My little nigga strike to it. Striking music, let my little nigga strike to it. Striking music, let my little nigga strike to it. Striking music, let my little nigga strike to it. Striking music, let my little nigga strike to it. Striking music, let my little nigga strike to it. Striker music, let my little nigga strike to it. Striker music, let my little nigga strike to it.
Full of coverage. Every wide body, every SRT I have, full of coverage.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wait, what the fuck? You got an air tape from the back. What the hell?
Bitch, I'm popping 3. I rock denim kids, we sing a rhyme mixed with the Louis V. I just cracked the pint and poured the.
Oh shit!
That's the same one. Though.
Get their ass!
That nigga is get up there!
Get their ass!
Yo, bro, I was trying to say I love your car, man.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it, man. Dab me up, man. Appreciate it.
I'm working downtown, so I see it like every day.
Yeah.
I've always wanted to meet the guy who owns it, man.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
A few moments later.
Yeah. Only thing I've done yet is buy rims and just be badger.
He on E85. That shit pushing 600 horsepower. Don't let him lie to you.
It's
a GT, he said. Let's slit shoulder. He does not know it's a scat pack. But he just said that's a Hemi. That's a 6.4 liter, my boy.
It's RT. It's RT, man. If you want to race, we can race.
But what you trying to race? What you got? A 5.0?
Yeah.
But where the 5.0 that was?
I ain't got no bag on.
Wait, hold up. Is he trying to race Slim in a 5.0?
I would not race.
It's hot. I can break. Sleep on it. Appreciate it.
When I was riding with that Benz, right, that motherfucker had the heat on. I mean, that bitch sweating my ass off. I said, bro, can you turn the air on, bro? He was like, yeah, I got you. Turn up the music. That's what I said. Oh, you talking about me and him?
Yeah.
Let me go check out this Camaro. This bitch got carbon fiber all over it. I know this bitch running. I can't see what's inside the hood. That bitch, it ain't that light though.
Getting a lot of footage of our group, twin.
He ain't part of your group?
Yeah, he is.
What's done to
Brennan. That's SF. You're gonna have to ask him. I can't disclose that on camera. Hey.
Hey yo, what's done to your shit? Hey yo, bro, what's done to this big?
Hey, it's for sale.
It's for sale. Brady don't want a shout out for the YouTube.
Redline Racing, Redline Official on TikTok, Redline Racing on YouTube, Redline Official on Instagram.
Who is that account ran by? It's not ran by him. Yeah. Certified.
Hey, we do this shit. We do this
Yeah.
shit. That's all I'm gonna
Yeah,
say.
give him that
You saw
blue.
that last meet.
Give him that blue check.
You saw that last
Give him that blue check. Man, let's go check out some cars up here, y'all.
Still sipping on that drink, even though I said I quit. Still loving on this hoe, even though she ain't my bitch. No lie. Still a pull up in the hood anytime I get ready. Right now. Still that nigga speak his mind, I meant it if I said it.
Oh, you play that YN music? Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay. Hey, okay, I guess you got some clientele. Oh, that thing already that bitch. Hunter, when you gonna get off the stocks, bro?
Huh?
When you gonna get off the stocks?
What you talking about?
What you do? Let me play a song.
Let me put you on some. Let me put you on some. Slim.
392 shit. What song you putting them on?
Down the car cut off. There you go.
That nigga a bitch, he only hang with the killer. Niggas get high, down with them niggas. Shout out to the 5, I got love for the villains. Don't care what he get, he ain't bitch for the pistol. You would think I'm a racist. First nigga that, first of all, I ain't never done shit. I'm out of the way, cause I'm trying to get rich. On B, you niggas be making me sick. Why the fuck is you willing to die by the bitch? I can have whoever I want, just hope your love.
What a funny bitch. I feel like Larry Hoover. Bitch, I'm baby cheese, and I do you.
A few moments later.
What's going on, Leo?
What's going on? What's going on?
Doing all right?
Chilling. What about you?
Having fun.
Hey, you made it to see another day. That's all that matters. I say you made it to see another day. That's all that matters.
I'm in the night as the darkness bites. Baby, you know you bring me light when there's none outside. Then come away now.
Also with the shit, a half a ticket on me right now. AP Skelly, $250,000, that's 250 down. Got less than nothing for these niggas, this shit business now. Can get a truckload to your front door, nigga, pick up town. Bitch, help me start my day out right, give me top in the morning. The snowflake, her head gray, should be sponsored by Tony. Like a trucker in the trap, where the smoke get, I want it. Numbers that's fake, a song from Drake on that thing they got on me. All this shit sounding the same, I'm taking back over. Timberland, step on these niggas like roaches. Get out the way, my niggas scoot over. Fuck B-Robert, these niggas ain't goated. Really been hating, that's all that you showed me. Word is your bond, that's all that you owe me. Word is your bond, that's all that you owe me. That's all that you owe me. Don't add me.
That nigga, I need the word, the sun, and the moon. What's the procedure when a bad bitch walk in the room? The type of bitch that make a nigga wanna jump the broom. He hit it once and got to tweaking like he on some shrooms. Bitch, I'm big mama, but ain't none of these niggas worth my wounds. These niggas trying to get me pregnant, I need to tie my tubes.
Alright, Nitro Gang, that's going to be the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. Nitro Leo and Nitro Gang, we out.
Coming, babe, you so goddamn fine. What's your number? I been beating up the road. I got stars on my nose.